The FDA is expected to authorize Pfizer's COVID-19 vaccine for kids between the ages of 12 and 15 this week. This after a March clinical trial revealed that Pfizer's vaccine had 100% efficacy for teenagers. So what do parents need to know before vaccinating their children? Fox News medical contributor and author of the brand new book, Panic Attack, Dr. Nicole Saphier. Hey, Dr. Saphier.
Good morning, Ainsley.
Good morning. What do parents need to know? Should we get our kids between those ages vaccinated?
Hey, Ainsley, just like any vaccination at that age, of course, you want to have that conversation with the pediatrician as there are risks and benefits to everything. 12 to 15-year-olds have very similar immunobiologies to young adults, so they are affected by COVID-19 the same way. They also are demonstrating some getting that long COVID. So especially if you have a high-risk child who may be overweight, may have asthma, definitely have that conversation with your pediatrician. I don't really think this push is going to get us to that herd immunity that everyone's crying for in the media. I think that we're much closer to herd immunity, and we don't even need to possibly extend the vaccination efforts to children to get us to herd immunity. But I do think that some children are severely affected by this virus, so it is important to have a safe and efficacious vaccine available for them.
All right, good deal. You wrote an op-ed. It's called Biden. It's titled Biden versus Big Pharma. Here's why waiving patent rights on COVID vaccines is a big mistake. Explain that.
So, Ainsley, you know, President Biden, during his campaign trail, said that if there was a successful COVID vaccine, that he would give away the patents so that other countries could benefit from it. But I'll tell you, Ainsley, I think this really sets a dangerous precedent, because the reason the U.S. is a global leader in pharmaceutical innovation is because we have such strong intellectual property rights and because we have free market. If you give this away, then what is going to make those big pharmaceutical companies actually want to continue to innovate? And to be honest, this is really just virtue signaling. This does very little to actually help nations in need right now. The good news is these pharmaceutical giants have already pledged billions of doses, in addition to what the United States and other countries are pledging, billions of doses to these countries. So really, by saying that they support giving away the intellectual property rights, again, virtue signaling doesn't really do anything tangible to help these struggling countries, and it sets a dangerous precedent by chipping away these property rights that are so crucial to our innovation. If you start doing that now, where will the government stop? Will they do away with the private entities altogether? That's what I get concerned about.
Well, you make some great points in this article. You congratulate Operation Warp Speed, and you talk about the efforts that we've done here in the U.S. to have such a surplus of these vaccines and how we're helping other countries like India. It's a good read. So everyone go check it out. FoxNews.com, Nicole Saphier. Dr. Saphier, thank you.